Welcome to our introduction to the Tesla fart prank. Want to make your Tesla Model 3 fart remotely? It's a fun, user-discovered prank using the Tesla app and a hidden feature. We'll show you how to trigger a fart-like sound from your car's horn using emissions testing mode. This isn't an official feature and might have consequences, so use responsibly. Emissions testing mode is a service mode in Tesla vehicles, typically used for dealership emissions tests. It temporarily disables regenerative braking and some safety features. Access it through the Tesla app under Controls, Service, Emissions Testing, or similar, depending on your app version. It temporarily disables regenerative braking and some safety features. Regenerative braking is what captures kinetic energy during braking and converts it back into battery power. It also disables some safety features, allowing the car to idle or move without driver input during testing. Activating this mode is key to enabling the fart sound through the remote horn honk. Follow these steps to trigger the fart sound from your Tesla Model 3 remotely through the app. First, ensure your Tesla Model 3 is unlocked and has a stable internet connection through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Next, open the Tesla app on your phone and navigate to the Controls section, then Service, and select Emissions Testing Mode. Once you've accessed it, activate the emissions testing mode. This changes how the vehicle responds to commands. Now, use the honk horn button within the Tesla app. Instead of a normal beep, you'll hear a longer, modulated sound that resembles a fart. Remember, this prank only works remotely through the Tesla app. You cannot trigger it from inside the vehicle. The fart sound is created by the vehicle's built-in audio system, specifically through the horn and speakers that produce the distinctive modulated tone. When emissions testing mode is activated, it temporarily disables certain safety protocols, allowing the horn to produce an extended, altered sound instead of the standard brief beep. This prank works by using Tesla's Application Programming Interface, or API, which enables remote control commands from the mobile app to interact with the vehicle's systems. No hardware changes are required, since everything operates through software. It's simply repurposing existing diagnostic and control functions built into the vehicle. This demonstrates Tesla's open software architecture, where over-the-air updates allow for creative uses of vehicle features beyond their original design. As of December 2025, the Tesla fart prank still works on most Model 3 vehicles running software up to v2025.8. While Tesla hasn't patched it explicitly, newer app updates have stricter remote access controls, like two-factor authentication. Reports indicate that around 70% of users can still trigger it successfully. Failures are often linked to outdated app versions or newer Model 3 refresh variants with hardware tweaks. The trend of Easter eggs in Teslas is growing. It has evolved into custom ringtones and prank audio clips shared via third-party apps. Tesla is also monitoring app usage more closely, with reports of accounts flagged for excessive remote commands. Experts predict Tesla might integrate fun sounds officially or remove the fart mode entirely. Real-world examples show how the Tesla fart prank has spread and sparked both amusement and controversy. A viral YouTube demo by creator Tesla Raj in 2023 dramatically boosted the prank's popularity. His tutorial video, showing the fart sound on a Model 3 in a parking lot, garnered over 50 million views by late 2025 and inspired countless replications among Tesla owners. Community forum incidents have shown the prank's risks. One notable case involved a Tesla owner pranking a neighbor's unattended Model 3, leading to a dispute over noise. Tesla temporarily disabled the prankster's remote access, highlighting potential legal issues like noise complaints under local bylaws. Some companies have embraced the prank positively for team building. A Silicon Valley tech firm used it during a parking lot event, triggering farts at a company meeting. It went viral on LinkedIn for boosting morale, but raised awareness about workplace harassment concerns. These examples highlight the prank's fun potential, but also important ethical considerations, including consent, privacy, and the risk of misuse or disputes. Automotive tech experts view the Tesla fart as a testament to Tesla's innovative but unsecured app ecosystem. Ethicists raise concerns about remote device control without explicit user permission. While entertaining, it's crucial to use this feature responsibly. Statistics suggest prank-related app bans affect less than 1% of users, but usage spikes during holidays.